Anchors Away 90-second RV park reviews. Here's your host, Brent.
Hey guys, welcome back. Where are we at? We're at Jetstream RV Park. Yeah. So we're at Jetstream RV Park in Houston. Pearland. I think it's Pearland in Houston. So it's a sort of a cross between an RV resort and an RV park. So all of the hookups are full hookups. So they got water, power, and waste. Reasonably priced. I think it was just over 200, about 260 for a week. We stayed here for a week because there's a lot to see in Houston.
$38 a day.
$38 a day. Okay.
For a week rate. The weekly rate.
Weekly rate, yeah. Mm-hmm. So they've got little playgrounds and bits and pieces for walking your dogs and taking care of their business and everything. Good location.
And there is a swimming pool too if you want to dive in.
Yeah, so it's getting a bit chilly now. So there is a swimming pool if you want to go in there and freeze some bits off. So nice spot to go down and see the Space Center and things like that. So there you go.
It's an hour drive to the Space Center.
Well, I presume that in Houston it's an hour drive to get anywhere. So, All right. So there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Thanks for watching Anchors Away RV park reviews. See you next time.
Oh, you're still here. You might like one of these videos next.